XRP just pumped over 10% today, but here's the thing. The AI is showing some pretty interesting signals that suggest this might not be the whole story. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting at $1.26 with that nice 10.21% gain I mentioned. You know what I've noticed? When we get these sudden pumps, especially with over 204 million XRP in trading volume, there's usually more to the story. The price action looks strong on the surface, but we need to dig deeper to see what's really happening underneath. Now, this is interesting. The RSI is at 43.58, which means we're actually approaching oversold territory despite this pump. The MACD just crossed above its signal line with the histogram turning positive. That's usually a good sign. But here's what caught my attention. We're still trading way below our major moving averages. We're down 10.48% from the 50-day and a whopping 24.68% from the 200-day. So while today looks green, we're still in that medium-term downtrend. The big story moving markets today? US-Iran tensions are cooling down and oil prices are dropping. This is actually huge for crypto because, well, when geopolitical risks decrease and inflation fears ease up, investors start looking at riskier assets again. XRP is showing negative correlation with the dollar index, which makes sense. When the dollar weakens, crypto often benefits. On the regulatory front, we've got some interesting developments. The CFTC just appointed 2 new senior officials, which shows they're expanding their crypto oversight. But here's something cool. There's a $1 million luxury apartment being tokenized on the XRP ledger in Dubai. This is exactly the kind of real-world utility that could drive long-term adoption. The mood right now is, well, pretty grim actually. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 20, which is extreme fear territory. XRP search trends are low at 34, and overall interest seems muted. But you know what? Sometimes extreme fear creates the best opportunities. When everyone's scared, that's often when smart money starts accumulating. The big players are doing something interesting. We're seeing 600 whale transactions today with over 276 billion XRP moved. That's massive, and get this, major investors have bought over 1.5 billion XRP in the past 6 months. So while retail might be scared, the whales are still accumulating. That tells us something, doesn't it? In plain English, we're in what's called wave C of a correction phase using Elliott Wave theory. The Wyckoff analysis suggests we're in phase B of a markdown stage with 64% confidence. Basically, this means we might see some bounces like today's pump, but the overall correction probably isn't over yet. Think of it as temporary relief in a longer healing process. So what does the AI think? This is where it gets really interesting. Short term, it's predicting $1.01 in the next day. Medium term at 7 days. It sees $1.10. But wait, the 30-day prediction jumps all the way up to $1.83. The AI is basically saying expect some more downside first, then a significant recovery. The probabilities show 75.6% chance of decline short term, but 64% chance of gains long term. But here's what could go wrong. The Bank of Japan's rate decision could shake up the entire crypto market. We're also seeing continued outflows from XRP ETFs, which isn't great for institutional sentiment. And those technical resistance levels I mentioned, they're going to be tough to break through. Plus, when positioning gets this bearish, sudden moves can catch everyone off guard. Here's my take. I'm recommending a wait-and-see approach short-term, followed by gradual accumulation. The extreme fear conditions and whale accumulation tell me this is setting up for something bigger. First entry point, $1.10 to $1.15. Second entry if we drop further, $1 to $1.05. Stop loss at 95 cents. First target is $1.35. Second target, $1.60. The key here is patience. Let the correction play out, then ride the recovery. That's it for today. Remember, I'm just looking at the AI data and charts like you are, so always do your own research. If this analysis helped you understand what's happening with XRP, hit that subscribe button and give it a like. See you next time.